I'm Courtney Powers with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. Please join us at the Humboldt Boat and RV Show and come check out our runabouts and ski boats.
Hello, my name's Cody Morgan. I work with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. Please come see us and the Flagstaff travel trailers at the Humboldt RV and Boat Show.
Hi, my name's Ken Hall with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. I'd like to invite you to come down to the Humboldt Boat Show and check out the full line of Winnebago's motor coaches.
Hi, my name is Guy Rivers with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. Come check out our full line of bay boats at the Humboldt Outdoor Show.
Hi, I'm Ed Sykes with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. Please come see us and our full line of fifth wheels at the Humboldt RV and Boat Show.